This will bring you to an area where you can create your video using different scenes. There are two types of scenes to choose from: animations and videos and images. We'll talk about animations first. As you can see, there are many different ones to choose from the basic to the more outrageous. When looking around, look for something that speaks to you and what you want to use in your presentation. When you find an animation you like, simply click on it and it'll be added to the video bar at the bottom of the screen. This video bar is very important and easy to use. This is where we'll be adding text, audio, or changing the length of our video clips. To edit the video, simply click on the blue circle, Edit Video. From here you can do a variety of things by changing the color of the ribbons, the backgrounds, or the text that you want to be displayed on your presentation. You can also preview what it looks like.